It's just the nature of a fly to go and sit on rubbish, trash, and wound. And if you're going to keep looking at this guy is not right, that girl is not right, he's not saying it right, she's not doing it right, you're becoming a fly. Rather than looking at the beauty of the person, you're going and sitting on the wound. And I'll tell you what, it's just natural for that to happen. Seeing a fault is so easy and so natural. So natural. कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं है. उल्टा करना होता है. We have to consciously focus on the good. Because subconsciously we will be a fly. Consciously we have to become a honeybee. Subconsciously अपने आप हमको दूसरों में कोई तो कमी दिखने ही वाली है. Consciously we have to start looking for the good quality.